when I have a spreadsheet and I don't want teachers to be able to change the fields in it, I can protect that. I have an example of that here with a bulk upload template that I use for one of our services. Sometimes I have a spreadsheet that I need to protect so that other users that are shared on the document don't make any formatting changes. I'm using an example here. This is a bulk upload template that I use for one of the services that we pay for. And you'll notice up here in the green that this file was actually formatted for Microsoft Excel. It's saved as a Microsoft Excel format in my Google Drive. When I right click on this tab that I want to protect, I don't have the ability to protect this page. I do have the option though to go under File and save this as a Google Sheet. I've done that. It takes a few minutes to format and to save it differently, but here's what it looks like as a Google Sheet. Same information, same data, but now when I right click on the tab, I have the ability to protect that sheet. And then you'll see a padlock appear. I want to protect the entire sheet, so I'm going to set my permissions. I want to be the only one that can edit this page because I've already done the bulk upload. Now I can share this document with anybody I want to, and they will not be able to make changes to this page, but they will be able to make changes to the 2 additional pages that I've added. This particular document, page 1 that I protected, is the information that I uploaded to create student accounts. If I click on each of the other tabs, it actually provides login information for those teachers to give to their students or to print off and put in a subfolder. This is one example of why I would protect a page and how I would do it.